Hey guys, Brainy Brian here, coming straight from my backyard. I'm going to do a quick science experiment with you guys so you guys can have some fun to do while you guys are at home. Alright, we're going to do a quick little rocket. So we need a container, the push-on lid. I use these nice little noon containers. Need some baking soda, which I mix with some water so it's sticky, like a little paste. And then we need some vinegar here. Easy vinegar. Awesome. So you're just going to put some of the paste on the cap. Let's put some more in. Let's do that. Awesome. This little paste in the cap, see? Alright. Gonna put some vinegar in the container. Don't need a lot, just a little bit on the bottom, just to make it activate, because the baking soda and the vinegar are going to react and make a bunch of bubbles, and it's going to hopefully shoot the rocket off. Let's see what we got here, friends. And there it goes. I hope we all saw that. I will try it again real quick. Let's see. Baking soda and water mixture, looks like a glue almost, sticks inside. Some vinegar. Just in the bottom, if you put too much, it won't go up very high because it'll be too heavy. So you don't want too much, just want a little bit in the bottom to make it react. And we'll try it close up this time, see if we see it fly away. And there it goes. Awesome, quick, easy for you guys to have fun with. Be careful inside. If you do it, it could get powerful. I don't want to wreck your ceiling, so be careful. All right, bye-bye. Love you guys.